Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my Roomify bundle. So it's actually pretty big, like insanely big. Now, one of the reasons I bought this bundle is because I just felt that if I were to go out to multiple stores and try to buy stuff for my dorm room, I would forget something major or I would end up spending too much money. This bundle was just $3.15, which is still a lot of money, but it brings over 60 items. And then it also takes away some of the thought process for buying stuff for my dorm. Alright, and the link will be down below for the bundle if you're thinking about getting it. I'm actually going to be attending Temple University, which is in Philadelphia. So I will have to dorm there. So the first thing that's in my bundle is my comforter. So it's a twin XL. And it's kind of like marble, and it brought the comforter and the pillow sham in here. So the next thing in my bundle is this microfiber mattress topper. So I guess this is just to make everything more comfortable in my dorm. This one's a 20 by 26, and then this one's also a 20 by 26. So it brought two pillows. It brought this blanket, and it has this really cute saying. It says, bring your own blanket on it. And oh my gosh, this is super soft. And then I know you all know what fitted sheets are. So this is just my fitted sheets, and it doesn't say what's all in here, but I'm just going to assume it's the... Oh wait, I lied. It says it right here. So this one has one twin XL flat sheet, two twin XL fitted sheets, and two standard pillowcases. So I think this is actually really good because since it brings two fitted sheets, I'll be able to switch out one while I wash the other. So for my closet, it actually brought some hangers. These are 18 white plastic hangers. I'll obviously be taking a couple more, but I heard that you shouldn't take that much clothes to college anyways since you're doing fall and spring semesters. So maybe not. The next thing for my closet would be my 6-cube closet organizer. This is the type of shoe organizer or just closet organizer that hangs. And then for my room, I also have this underbed storage. So the next thing is this folding storage bin. I'll probably just keep this at the top of my closet and have like purses, belts, and just stuff I don't use all the time in there. And it actually came with two. And the last thing for my closet is going to be, well, this deals with clothes, but it's not going to be inside my closet. It's this hamper. So it says, don't air your dirty laundry in public. And it's just a pop-up laundry hamper. And it seems really lightweight, so I'll be able to probably take this to wash my clothes because we have communal laundry. So we're going to move on to the basic like dorm room necessities. So the first thing I have is this plate set. It has like bowls and a cup in there, and it also brought some utensils. So I'm glad it brought this just because if I want to eat something in my dorm or have like cereal or something, I'll be able to have these and I won't have to have like a whole bunch of plates and everything. I just don't feel like that's convenient. So this is just for me. It's like a one-person thing and I kind of like that. This one's kind of like not a necessity, but I think it'll help me out. It's just a combo board, and it has the whiteboard and it has a bulletin board. So it also brought the marker, which is really cool, but I'll probably buy other ones. What I plan to do with this is probably write out my schedule on here and then maybe keep some pictures of friends and families here. The next thing that came in my bundle is actually a set of towels. So it brought two bath towels, two hand towels, and two washcloths. So I'm pretty sure I'll just be taking these. I don't think I'll need any more towels than what it brought. That's actually a lot of towels, but again, it's two sets. So that way, if one's dirty, I'll have the other one as backup. And then the next thing that kind of has to do with the towels is this shower pack. So it says it's a caddy set, and it has shower slippers, a shower caddy, a toothbrush caddy, and a soap caddy. So we do have communal showers. I don't have like my own bathroom, which is pretty sad, but I mean it won't matter that much. The one thing I found kind of odd when I was ordering is that you're not allowed to pick your shoe size for the flip-flops. It's just a one size fits all. And I mean, they're pretty big, so it probably does fit everybody. This hardware kit. So it's a 6 outlet power strip 6 outlet power strip, and it's 2.5 feet. Well, the cord is. And then there's a 3 outlet extension cord, which is 9 feet, yeah. And then how do I say that? Ethernet cable. It brought that. I guess I can use that if I need to connect a phone or anything. But it's pretty useful. I know at home sometimes we're always looking for stuff like this. And then we're going to keep going with electronics. So the next thing that the bundle brought was this Bluetooth speaker. And I'm actually going to take this one out because it looks like I can just pop it back into the packaging. So here's the packaging, and then here's what I'm guessing is the charging cable for the speaker. And then here's the speaker. It's just really little. It kind of reminds me of the camera that I'm filming this on because they're about the same size, and then they both have like the little strap. And then after that, we're actually down to our last 2 items. Second to last item we have here is the clip fan. So it says, "Why can't life always be this breezy?" It's pretty little, but I mean, it'll be fine. There's an air conditioner in the room. But here's the actual fan head, and then it also has the stand right here. And it's a clip-on fan, so I can hang this off of my bed, or yeah, on my desk or anything. And then the last item for today is my white desk lamp. And then here's my desk lamp. It actually reminds me of Pixar when it goes like doo doo doo. You know what I'm talking about? Like the little intro. But yeah, it didn't bring a light bulb, which I'm kind of happy about since if it came in the shipping, it could have broke. But my lamp seems fine, so I guess it was just the box that broke. Cord seems an okay length, but I like it.